In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a survey in Mailchimp. So first, let's head on over to the audience tab in the left side, and you will see a survey button in the left side also. So just click on it and it will take you to the survey site. And in order for us to create a survey, just head on to create survey and it will take you to this tab. So what we're going to do next is you can just add a for example, you can choose what kind of survey you want. You want check boxes, radio buttons. So for example, we will be using radio buttons, and we will put in the question over here. So for example, okay, so after we did that, just add the questions. You can add how many questions you want. So for example, I'll add 4. I'll put in the answers. Okay, so now that we did that, let's after we finished writing the questions and the answers, let's head on over to continue to design, and we will be customizing the page. So for example, you put in your image, your custom messaging, and your style. So we can also change the background of the survey and the buttons. Okay, so once we design the style of the survey, let's head on over to review the survey. And after you've done reviewing the survey, just click on continue, and your survey is done. And that's about it. That's how to create a survey in Mailchimp. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.